It's definitely cold out here. My apple juice froze.
That's the stuff that I used to kill the hornets. Seems to have worked, but it was a little bit late in the year. I don't know if they had just gone into hibernation. We'll know better in the spring. At least if it still works after being frozen.
It's not as cold in the building as it is outside. In the building, it's up above freezing. Sitting at about 38 degrees. That's because of the passive heat pickup from that green wall. There we go. Now it's going to play fair. The first thing I'm going to do in the pellet wood project is cut up some pallets. One nice thing about pallet wood, you don't really care if some of it gets messed up. So, it makes a good fire starter. Okay, now we can turn the fan on. I don't think that's going to cause any wind noise. It's going to cause fan noise, but no wind noise. clench the nails. That explains something. Once again, using the hammer as a pry bar like that gives you a shorter fulcrum and a lot more leverage. So even the clenched nails come loose. I can see there's no point in trying to take this one apart. So we're just going to cut it up into pieces. This stuff is just a placeholder. It has no strength at all. Now, why am I cutting up all these pallets? Well, it's because behind them, that's where the wood stack is. And I need to get these broken down into small pieces so I can use them for kindling later and get some use out of them. Also, anything that comes out of it worth a darn, I'll use to make a shelf. Because the top of that rack over there, doesn't have any boards on it, so I can't really set a whole lot of stuff on it. And since it's only 17 inches wide, these little guys will work pretty good. Well, that pallet wood does have a good use. Workshop's up to 55 right now.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.